The Reggae Boyz takes on the US at the office, ladies and gentlemen, and it was an exciting game. Although we did not get the result that we were looking for, we must say we are proud of the way the boys play. Greetings in the name of the Most High, Emperor Haile Selassie I the First, and Empress Menen the Balance. Ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafari, so you have Deep Roots TV. And if you want to hear the truth, asking you, subscribe to Deep Roots TV, and we're going to have a great relationship, ladies and gentlemen. We're at the office for another exciting round of World Cup qualification, but missed chances might have denied the boys their chance again, ladies and gentlemen. As the national head coach Theodore Whitmore was coy in his remarks about the officiating crew, which ruled out what could have been a game-winning game for Jamaica, goal for Jamaica in the 1-1 draw with the United States in yesterday Concacaf World Cup qualification at National Stadium. Timothy Weah scored in the 11th minute, but English Premier League star Michail Antonio registered his second goal consecutive game and campaign with an excellent strike from outside the box. However, the controversial moment was in the 83rd minute when Damion Lowe seemingly to have given the Reggae Boyz the go-ahead goal, but efforts was ruled out because of apparently a foul by a defender in the lead-up. When asked about the particular incident, Whitmore in the post-game press conference said he did not want to address the controversial moment. That is something that I don't think that I want to talk about. Officials are there to do their job. From the sideline, I can sit and say anything, but it's just for me to sit back and take a look at the tape. But I'm not a person who complained about officiating, Whitmore said. The ruled out goal was the accumulation of a game that was there for the taking in the match that required 3 points to start the second half of the Concacaf World Cup qualification campaign. Whitmore admitted that they missed out on the opportunity to close out the game with a chance they had at their disposal. It was all in our hand. The US didn't create any goal scoring opportunity. They were gifted with a goal, but I think the guys kept their heads up. We stayed in the game. We managed to equalize, and we could have gone on to win the game. Numerous of opportunity presented themselves, but I think we didn't capitalize on the game, Whitmore said. Among those numerous chances was an open net opportunity for Bobby Reid in the 53rd minute when the failed cancellation saw the ball fall at his feet but couldn't put it away even though he tried the effort. The effort was over the bar, less than 6 yards out. In the second half, substituted Ravel Morrison also came close, but his low drive was easily smothered by the United States keeper Zachary Stephen. Despite only picking up 2 points from November window, Whitmore says that he is not ready to call it quits on the campaign, not knowing the other results, but we keep fighting and we will not stop fighting, Whitmore said. Jamaica will play their first qualifier of the new year on January 27 when they host Mexico at National Stadium. Ladies and gentlemen, I was disappointed by the result. I'm appointed by the effort and the quality of play that I'm getting out of the boys. But I'm telling you, the results, from the El Salvador match The way that we conceded a goal late in the 90th minute showed that we lack grit, showed that we lack guts, showed that we lack perseverance. And again, we conceded the goal to the United States in the 11th minute, people. Showed that we did not show up to play. For some reason, we play our best game down. You are guaranteed. And it's hard to 11 minutes in the game, you're playing down. It's like you're playing the entire game down a goal. It's not good. And even if you equalize, then you have to push ahead again. Unfortunately, the ref called a foul leading up to the score. So, the goal was waved off. It was not allowed. It was disallowed. So, unfortunate situation we continue to put ourselves in. Every time there's World Cup qualification is when we are about to get eliminated. We want to go on like say we want to play ball. We have to wait till them score and we always give up the goal so early. A joke thing we are deal with, family. And we have good ballers. We have many ballers. We don't have any excuses now. We have ballers from all kind of Premier League and international side. We have a mixture. You are guaranteed? And right now, it's not much else Tapper can do. Because we not talk about like Whitmore if we go on Ray and him not this and that. But Whitmore is doing a good job. The man them not finishing and the man them not locking down and defending. I saw game win. You score and you prevent your opponent from scoring. So people, me kind of a little bit disappointed as you hear, I'm a little bit sad about, seeing how my team them just keep failing. Because we want something to be happy about. We want to be happy about our team because we love the Jamaican teams. You are guaranteed. We love when we represent and when we are win. You are guaranteed. So the man them need to tighten up now because the next game, them say the first game of the new year was January 27 and a Mexico and I in office. So we all need the people them to come out and make nice. Because the Mexican them just lose. Right now I Mexican them in a third place. Because Canada lead. And US second. Mexico third. You guarantee. And a Panama fourth. Jah no family. It not look good for we. It not look good for we, man. No, because we are fifth right now. And it seems like Costa Rica must be there sixth. And them say a 3, I get through. And right now, Mexico, Canada, and US lock up them the spot there. So Whitmore, I say, boy, we are going to fight. But boy, I tell you, say it I got tough, me not telling no lie. When we draw the El Salvador game, I think say we don't have a chance. Because US I come play with them at the office. But now that we draw this game, we got on 11 minutes in the game, family. 11 minutes. That's the far I know, family. Me vex, my lad. Anyway, family, me ask you to leave a little note. Make me know where you think we can do better as a side. If you think that's the best we can do, let me know if you think say Tapper to leave or Tapper do a good job. Where you think we can do, you think we still can make it to the World Cup 2022? Are we done? Y'all guarantee like say we just a play for the rest of the time, we play for fun. So ladies and gentlemen, so go ahead and hit that red subscribe button if you have not subscribed as yet. You are going to take and leave your comment. Give me a thumbs up. You bet. And more life and more joy. Yes. More happiness. It's Rastafari Soldier, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, you tune into the Pro TV. Giving you an update on the sports. Because the Jamaican side, the Reggae Boyz, them draw with the United States. Right now, them currently in a 5th position. Behind US, Canada, Mexico, Panama. It's not a good position for you now when you try qualify on go 3 out of the group. I gonna make it true. You no look good. It no look good. So bless up on yourself and family.
Deep Roots. Hello, I am Carla. I am watching Deep Roots TV. Woo!
This the lioness. Log on to Deep Roots TV.
On parle français, sa femme est française, donc on dit bonjour à la France, et super, et vive Fort Lauderdale.